Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to have a look at the Nokia 8110 4G phone. So this is called as the banana phone. As you can see the curve that the phone has it. So now it is a remake of the old version. So now let's have a look at the box first. So as you can see Nokia branding 8110 4G, and here it shows YouTube sign and the Facebook symbol. On this side you can see the phone. As you guys can see, here is the screen and this is the portion which slides down, and then you can have a look at the QWERTY key, the keypad, the old keypad. So here is the Google symbol, the Twitter symbol, and as you can see over here there are so many pictures of bananas and all. So it's symbolized as and it is known as by banana phone. So over here let's have a look at it. So it has the dual SIM, it has store, and it shows that it has a games and apps that which you can download and have an access to. It has a 2 megapixel rear camera. It has Snake, the most popular game for the 90s. Over here is the Qualcomm 205 mobile platform, and here as it says what are it included in the box. So it has a few features like Wi-Fi hotspot, VoLTD, FM radio, headset is required, then only you can contact download, calendar sync, and it has a micro SD card, supports up to 32 GB, and it has a micro SIM adapter and a nano SIM card slot. So there are two different kind of slots. So now that's it, nothing else. So now let's open this. It is a retro phone which reminds you of the past and makes you know how how the phones have actually evolved from. This is the Samsung S7 Edge, and this is the 90s popular phone. So you can see how they have grown as time has gone. So now let's remove this. So it comes like this. Now let's remove this plastic. As you can see over here. Let's keep this aside and have a look at the other things that comes in the box. So as you can see, here are the earplugs, standard 3.5mm jack, nothing fancy. So here click on all the paperwork, the battery, a guide in Arabic, and here is the charging brick. That's it. So let's keep this all aside, the papers and all. Now let's remove this battery. So this is a 1500 mAh battery, as you can see. That's it, nothing else. Now let's open the back side and so over here you can see this is the portion where the battery goes. Over here is the micro SIM, and here is the SIM slot for the nano SIM. That's it. So now let's put the battery in and on this phone. So first over here is the power key. So it runs on Kaios OS, which is the same version which is the Geo phone is working on. So as it's booting up, let's take a tour of the smartphone. So there is nothing fancy or something great to see. So over here is the 2 megapixel camera, the flash, the speaker, the Nokia branding. On the top you have the micro USB charging port, 3.5mm headphone jack. On this side nothing. It refreshes all the old memories. Over here is the microphone. That's it. So this is how the phone looks. So if you want to see the keypad, that's how it opens. And it as you slide back the cover up, the phone locks, and as you open it will on back. So this works as a kind of a lock and unlock feature. So, as you can see over here, the curve that goes through, which is nice. But this key also works as a power key, so you can use it to on and off. So now let's have a look what you get over here. So over here you get notices. So here is the menu. So you get call log, the contacts. Here is the store where you can download the other apps. Here are the snake game, which we'll have a look at it in a second. It's hard to use after using the new generation smartphone and getting back used to this old square keys. Over here is the messages, camera, here's the calendar, music, here's the browser, radio, gallery, email, calculator, videos, unit converter, recorder, notes, and here are a few games which are preloaded: Danger Dash, Castle of Magic, and Nitro Speed. So here let's have a look at the settings. It has got a really interesting kind of OS going on over here. It says geolocation and all different kinds of options you have: personalization, sound, display, privacy, storage, device, account, and that's all. So now let's have a look at the camera first. So this is how the picture looks. I know it's not that good, but still for this kind of phone, it's okay. You can understand. Let's have a look at the game. Snakes, the old and the gold, most famous game. So as it has a 2.4-inch display with a 240 by 320 pixel ratio, 2 megapixel video recorder. It has a RAM of 512 MB. It works on a Snapdragon 205 and an lithium ion battery, which I've already showed you when I was inserting the battery. So that's it, nothing else. This is the specs which this phone has it. So it's really interesting, as it reminds you of all the old snakes game, if you might have played, if I might have seen. So that's it, nothing else guys for the smartphone. That's all it has. So now let's pause it and go back. Exit, yes. So if you want to adjust it according to you, you can do that. Then that's it. And if you want to show off, then you can do this. So this is nothing like a really good thing that you can think of, but if you are interested in retro phones and just want to keep it as a memory, then you can go for it and buy this phone. This phone retails for around 8,000 rupees, I think so, which is actually not a good amount of money to spend on such kind of phone, but still it depends if you are interested in it or not. So that's all guys for the smartphone. We'll be back again with another video. Thank you guys, and stay tuned on the channel. And if you have not already liked and subscribed to my channel, please do it right now itself. Thank you guys.